Hey you guys, today we're learning how to do Senegalese twists, and I hope I said that right because I never do. Anyway.
So you're going to grab a piece of, this is braiding hair we're going to use today. We don't need a big piece for a small twist. You're going to split one of the sides in half and put it between your index finger and your thumb just like that. And don't pay attention to my cuticles, they're a little dry. So we're going to just wrap it around the natural hair. We're going to split the hair just so we have even and equal sides to our braiding strands, okay? And if you're watching this tutorial, you should already kind of have an idea on how to do box braids because this is how you're going to start off these twists. You're going to braid down, I would say about maybe like half an inch, just so you can get that snug tension in there and you can make sure that the twist will stay in. And what you're going to do here is now we're splitting those three strands into two strands, two equal, fully, they feel like there's about the same amount of hair. And now we're going to start twisting to the right. Both sides twisting to your right, but twisting the two strands to the left. And as we're twisting the two strands to the left, we're going to twist each individual strand to the right. Okay? That's why YouTube is good for the visual. Okay? Because this is the way that the twist is going to stay together. You're just going to twist all the way down. You're going to keep twisting as you're twisting. And when you get to the end part, this is a little tip here that's going to help keep that hair twisted all the way down, okay? Because you don't want to let go and then it untwists just like that. So you're going to twist down, twist down, twist down. We're going to keep twisting. You see that? Now we're going to stop and we're going to grab one little piece from each side and we're going to make, looks like four, but we're going to turn it into three. And we're going to just braid a little tiny braid all the way down. And that's going to secure the twist. I know it looks kind of a mess right now, and you can't tell it's even there. That's the beauty of it. Okay? That's what's going to hold your twist together. And that's pretty much it. You're just going to go through, snip those little hairs that are sticking out, and boom! Look at that. It was hard to kind of get a focused video because the twist is so small. But you can see, look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't it pretty? And with this process, with this install, you do not need a lot of product at all. As you can see, I didn't even use much. And you just twist as you twist, and it all stays in there. And they end up coming out so gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. You can't tell me that's not pretty. Okay, make sure you follow and like. See you next time.